stop scrolling. Yes, you. Because today, we're talking about something that secretly controls your whole life.
Weight controls your life? Like coffee?
Coffee is a habit, Liam. And so is checking your phone every 5 minutes.
Hey, I feel attacked already.
Good. That means you're awake. Welcome back to Miss English, everyone.
Welcome, welcome. Today's episode is all about habits. The good ones, the bad ones, and the really weird ones we never talk about. Exactly. And no boring textbook English here. This is real life English, the kind people actually use.
The kind you use when you say, I'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes.
That is the most honest sentence in English.
Here's the truth. Your habits are your life on repeat.
Your habits are your life on repeat. Same actions, same excuses, same results.
So if you change your habits, you change everything.
You change everything. Okay, but don't panic. We're not becoming perfect people today. Nope.
Nope. We're just becoming a little better than yesterday.
All right, let me confess. Every morning I say, today I will wake up early.
Aha. Aha.
And every morning I hit snooze. Again and again and again.
That's not a morning routine. That's a sleep negotiation.
Exactly. My alarm and I are in a toxic relationship.
Listen carefully, guys. People don't say, I have a repeated daily behavior. I have a repeated daily behavior.
They say, that's a habit.
They don't say, I intend to stop this action. They say,
Hey, I'm trying to break this habit.
simple, natural, real English. Quick question for you listening right now. What's one habit you want to change?
Be honest. We won't tell anyone.
Unless it's eating snacks at midnight. Then, same.
In the next part, we'll talk about why habits are so hard to change.
And a simple trick that actually works. Without motivation, without pressure, and without suffering.
So stay with us. This is where it gets really interesting.
And trust us, your future self will thank you. Okay. Now let's talk about habits we pretend are normal but deep down, we know they're weird.
Oh, yes, these are the habits we defend with our whole heart.
Like talking to yourself and answering back.
Hey, that's not weird. That's called having a meeting.
A meeting with who, Liam?
With myself. I'm very important.
Let's be honest. Everyone talks to themselves. While cooking. While walking. Even while forgetting why we entered a room.
I came here for something important. I'll remember later.
and later never comes.
Another habit, setting alarms and ignoring all of them.
Oh, yes. Alarm number 1, confidence. Alarm number 2, hope. Alarm number 3, lies.
5 more minutes. 30 minutes later.
What about checking your phone? Putting it down. Then checking it again after 5 seconds?
Just in case the world changed.
Breaking news, it didn't.
And snacks. Eating snacks when you're not hungry. Just bored.
Boredom has calories.
Exactly.
Another habit we all have. Practicing conversations that will never happen.
If they say this, I'll say that. They never say anything.
But we win the argument anyway.
These habits may look silly, but they make us human.
Habits don't have to be perfect. They just have to feel real.
Now tell us, which habit made you laugh the most?
And which habit do you secretly have, but never admit?
Don't worry. Your secret is safe with us.
Very safe. Don't go anywhere. The next part is... Okay. Now we're getting to the real stuff. Not the habits we say we have, but the habits we actually live with every single day. Let's be honest. Everyone has at least one habit that makes people around them go, "Why are you like this?"
Oh, absolutely. And the funniest part? Most people don't even realize their habits are strange. They think it's normal. Funny bad habit number 1, the phone scroll trap.
Let's start with a classic bad habit. Scrolling on your phone. Forever. You open your phone to check one message. 30 minutes later. You don't remember what you saw. Your thumb hurts. And somehow you're watching a video of a cat cooking pasta. Okay. Now we're getting to the real stuff. Not the habits we say we have, but the habits we actually live with every single day. Let's be honest. Everyone has at least one habit that makes people around them go, "Why are you like this?"
Oh, absolutely. And the funniest part? Most people don't even realize their habits are strange. They think it's normal. Funny bad habit number 1, the phone scroll trap.
Let's start with a classic bad habit. Scrolling on your phone. Forever. You open your phone to check one message. 30 minutes later. You don't remember what you saw. Your thumb hurts. And somehow you're watching a video of a cat cooking.
And the worst part? You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes. That is the biggest lie modern humans tell themselves. Funny bad habit number 2, alarm snoozing Olympics.
Let's talk about mornings. Specifically, the snooze button. You set your alarm for 7 o'clock. You wake up. You snooze. 7:05 snooze. 7:10 snooze. 7:20 still snoozing. At this point, the alarm is not helping you. It's just judging you.
Some people don't wake up. They negotiate with their alarm. Okay. 5 more minutes, and I'll change my life. Funny good habit number 1, talking to yourself.
Now let's flip it. A good habit that looks weird but actually helps. Talking to yourself. People think it's strange. But honestly, it's like having a free personal coach. You say things like, "Okay, Jessica, focus. Don't forget your keys. You can do this." That's not crazy. That's self-support.
Exactly. The problem is when you answer yourself out loud in public. Then people start moving away from you. Funny bad habit number 3, overthinking everything.
Overthinking. The habit that steals your sleep. You send a simple message. Okay. 5 minutes later. Did that sound rude? Should I add a smiley? What if they hate me now? Congratulations. You just turned one word into a full movie.
And the movie always has a sad ending that only exists in your head. Funny good habit number 2, preparing small wins.
Here's a good habit more people should have. Preparing small wins. Making your bed. Drinking water. Writing one sentence. Small actions. Big confidence boost. You don't need to change your whole life in one day. You just need one small win. Then another. Then another.
And suddenly you feel productive, even if you're still wearing pajamas at 3 p.m. Funny habit comparison, good versus bad.
Bad habit. Saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Good habit. Starting badly. Today. Bad habit. Waiting to feel confident. Good habit. Doing it scared anyway.
Bad habit. Watching motivational videos all day. Good habit. Actually doing one small thing after watching them. Listener reflection moment.
Quick question for you listening right now. What's one habit you know you should stop, but somehow you still do every day? And what's one tiny habit you could start today without pressure?
In the next part, we're going even deeper. We'll talk about how habits are formed, why breaking bad habits feels so hard.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. If this podcast helped you even a little, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel. Bye!